Welcome to explore our advanced sheet extrusion technology. We specialize in the design, manufacturing, and commissioning of high-performance sheet extrusion lines for biodegradable, compostable, and PET sheet production. Our extrusion solutions are engineered to deliver superior sheet quality, high productivity, and reliable long-term operation. Production capacity. Output range from 200 kilograms per hour to 800 kilograms per hour. Suitable for both medium and large-scale industrial production. Sheet thickness. 0.20 millimeters to 1.50 millimeters. Sheet width. 700 millimeters to 1000 millimeters. We can provide the solution for single-layer sheet extrusion, 3-layer co-extrusion, 5-layer co-extrusion. The KR multi-station thermoforming machine is a fully automatic, high-performance system designed for the production of premium plastic packaging products. Compatible with PET, rPET, APET, CPET, PLA, PPPS, HIPS, PVC, and barrier materials. It delivers high productivity, precise forming, and reliable operation through advanced servo technology and intelligent controls. Available in 3-station and 4-station configurations, it is ideal for manufacturing trays, food containers, lids, PLA cup, PP cup clamshells, boxes, medical packaging, flower pots, and customized packaging solutions. All are microwave-proof, chill-proof, spill-proof, and leak-proof. We'd be happy to discuss your project. Feel free to reach out for a free consultation.